Hi everyone, we're going to learn about the components of private law under classification of law, which consists of law of contract, law of tort, and law of trust. Private law is also known as civil law. Private law deals with the rights and duties of individuals in their personal and business relationships. First, we have contract law. A contract is a legally binding agreement between two or more parties or businesses. If one party does not follow the terms, the other party can take legal action. An important case example is Loh Kayit and others against Muhammad Isa and another 1963 1 MLJ 165. As you can see from the name of the case, we can already gauge that this is a civil case. Since Loh Kayit name is in front, he is the plaintiff of this case and Muhammad Isa is the defendant. This case only involves them and not the government, unlike cases under public law. By the way, "or" here means others, meaning there are more than two plaintiffs. It would be too long to state the name of all the plaintiffs, hence "ors." "Anot" means another, meaning there is another one defendant beside Muhammad Isa. 1963 is the year the case was published. 1 is the volume number of the journal. MLJ stands for the name of the journal, which is Malayan Law Journal, and 165 is the page number where the case can be found. Next is the law of torts. This law applies when someone causes harm to another person due to negligence, defamation, assault, or trespass. An example of negligence is where you undergo an operation in the hospital and the doctor left a spatula in your stomach. You can sue the doctor for negligence. A famous case is Donoghue against Stevenson, 1932, AC 562, which introduced the concept of duty of care in negligence cases. Defamation is a false statement that harms a person's reputation, either spoken or written. Assault is the act of threatening or attempting to harm someone, causing them to fear immediate physical harm. And trespass is the unlawful entry onto someone else's property without permission. Finally, we have the law of trust. This law ensures that a trustee manages property or assets for the benefit of others. For example, a man creates a will to leave all his property to his three sons after his death. For conclusion, private or civil law covers different areas, including contracts, torts, and trusts, to protect people's rights and responsibilities in everyday life. Thank you for listening.